Hi all, we'll discuss number patterns problems which will be helpful for many competitive exams. This will be helpful for the kids who are appearing for the exams up to 10th class and many other various competition exams also. These problems will be helpful. First we'll talk about this problem, that is the first problem. If you see the number pattern here, it was given as 5, 15, 35, 65. So first we need to understand how the relationship is there between the first number and second number. And okay, so when you see here the difference is that 5, 15, the difference is 10. Okay, and if you observe between the second number, that is 15 and 35, 35 minus 15, that will give answer 20 difference. And again, when you see the difference here between the third number and fourth number, that is 65 and 35, the difference is 30. So from here we can find the answer very quickly. That is, the difference here is growing like 10. First the difference is 10, second 20, third 30. So definitely the next difference will be 40. So the answer will be 65 plus 40, that is 105. So this is the way you will solve the first problem. That is, first you are understanding the relationship between the first two numbers, how those were given. Similar way, we are finding the relationship between the third and second number. Similar way, we are finding the relationship between the fourth and third number. So it has given the answer easily to find out. And second problem is that 16, 160. Okay. And here 15, 135. So if you see here, there is no difference logic over here. Here we need to understand what is the exact logic over here. When you multiply 16 by 10, here the logic came as multiplication. 16 multiplied by 10. Okay, the value is 160. Similar way, when 15 is multiplied by 9, it will give 135. Okay, so here the multiplication number is going as decrement by 1. Okay, here the multiplied by 10, here multiplied by 9. So definitely here the multiplication will come as 8. So 14 8 ja 112. So this is the answer. So here the logic we have found by not only the difference logic, here the logic came with multiplication. We need to find the answer for the third problem. Third problem is given as 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Here also simple logic. 2 2 ja 4. And similar way, when you multiply 4 with 2, you will get 8. Okay. And when you multiply 2, you will get 16. This is a straight away answer. When you multiply 16 with 2, you will get 32. And again, when you multiply 32 with 2, you will get the answer as 2 2 ja 4 and 2 3 ja 6. So here the logic is common between all the numbers. That is, every number, this success number is came when you multiplied the previous number by 2. So the logic apply all over the numbers. So you got the answer 64. Similar way, you need to find the number, the missing number over here. So here 945, 1050. So the logic is simple. When you see here in 9 table, when will you get 45? 9 5 ja 45. Similar way, when you will get 50 in 10 table, 10 5 ja 50. So similar way, what is the answer here? 10 5 ja, that is 55. And the last problem. Last problem is given as 12 120 and 11 110. And what will be the answer? The logic is simple. 12 10 ja 120. Similar way, 11 10 ja 110. 10 10 ja 100. So here the logic is that the first number is multiplied by 10, you are getting the second number. Similar way, when third number is multiplied by 10, you are getting 110. Similar way, this number, that is the fifth number, when multiplied by 10, you are getting 100. This is the way you need to understand the logic between the given numbers, and you can fulfill the answer. Thank you.